Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best gas grills on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Weber Gas Grill. The Weber Gas Grill features 2 cast iron cooking grates that provide plenty of space for everything from burgers and hot dogs to steaks and roasts. The design lets you close the lid while grilling, ensuring your food stays moist, delicious, and powered by a standard 20 pounds propane gas tank. The Spirit 2 features a fuel gauge on the grill's body so you can easily monitor fuel levels. The powerful GS4 grilling system delivers up to 49,000 BTU per hour input for even and efficient cooking. A built-in lid thermometer and stainless steel heat deflector help you keep track of internal temperatures to avoid overcooking or burning your food. What we like about it: convenient fuel gauge, powerful GS4 grilling system, built-in lid thermometer, fold-down side table. What we don't like about it: the cover may not fit. Number 2. Master Cook Gas Grill. The Master Cook Gas Grill is the ultimate outdoor cooking companion. With plenty of cooking space, you can cook multiple burgers or steaks and keep them warm until ready to serve. This grill is durable and reliable, with 3 stainless steel burners, and has a quick start-up. The control knob is also made of stainless steel, adding to the grill's sturdiness and durability. Plus, the cover lid features a built-in stainless steel thermometer for precise temperature monitoring. What we like about it: durable and reliable, quick startup ignition, precise temperature monitoring, extra storage space. What we don't like about it: confusing assembly instructions. Number 3. Char-Broil Gas Grill. The Char-Broil Gas Grill with side burner is the perfect choice for any grilling enthusiast. With its 3 stainless steel inline burners and porcelain-coated grates, this grill makes it easy to cook various dishes to perfection. The side burner adds extra heat for making sides or sauces while you cook on the main grates. The swing-away rack also lets you warm buns, vegetables, or other items you need more time to cook. The porcelain-coated steel lid and firebox withstand the elements, making this grill perfect for outdoor use. This gas grill is the ideal size for your patio or backyard. What we like about it: even heat distribution, side burner for sides and sauces, wing-away warming rack, adjustable flame controls. What we don't like about it: the side burner rusts easily. Number 4. Cuisinart Gas Grill. The Cuisinart Gas Grill features exceptional cooking power, delivering powerful heat for even and quick cooking. The large grilling area and warming rack provide plenty of space for a large meal, while the heavy-duty cast iron cooking grates help retain heat and sear food to perfection. In addition to its large cooking area, this gas grill also features 2 side tables for extra food prep or other activities. Powered by a convenient propane fuel source, you won't have to worry about running out of charcoal or gas. What we like about it: 2 side tables for prep, convenient propane fuel source, cooks food evenly and quickly. What we don't like about it: the paint may chip off. Number 5. Grill Boss Gas Grill. The Grill Boss Gas Grill provides consumers with a great grilling experience for any barbecue cookout. This grill offers 3 burners for convenient cooking of meats, vegetables, sauces, and more. With a push and turn ignition, it's easy to get the flame started and get the grill up to its maximum temperature. What we like about it: stylish and modern looking, features a 25 burger capacity, durable, and lots of storage included. What we don't like about it: little difficult to clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.